guys, i-rate namin yung drizzle chicken. What I order is the C1 double. Flavor of chicken is buttered and drizzle is white garlic. I will rate it 10 out of 10 because it's really good. I really like it. For my boyfriend's flavor is hint of spicy, pero sabi niya sobrang anghang na nun. One piece lang yung natikman ko and hindi siya ganun kaanghang, pero sabi niya maanghang na daw. And nasarapan naman siya. By the way, yung drizzle niya is honey glaze. The usual tiki man ng flavor. Their OG sauce is good, but if you're not into spicy, go for the white garlic sauce kasi medyo maanghang OG sauce nila, but I like it. I will rate it 8 out of 10. But my boyfriend really likes it, so I think it's 10 out of 10 for him. This one is their monster chicken and the flavor is mystery flavor. Nagustuhan namin yung flavor niya kasi medyo may pagka-maasim na matamis siya. Ganun yung lasa niya. And meron din siyang free dip. Ang akin, mas gusto ko siyang sinasawsaw sa white garlic, but my boyfriend prefer the OG sauce.